Good evening, everybody. This is Mark here at Rainmakers Customs. Alright, Steve, we got your radio all set, or your amplifier all ready to go. Your Skipper 300 by Palomar. Now, I've intentionally left the top off of it, that way we could kind of take a look inside. I wanted to show you here and tell you, man, this thing is, like I said, absolutely wonderful. You know, seeing something this clean. So we left the top of this off so we show everybody what one of these things should look like on the inside, as far as on the clarity and everything. Like I said, we tested the tubes. The tubes all tested about 75%. There wasn't more than 2% difference between any of them. So just kind of wanted to show you the overall of it. Like I said, it's been a pleasure doing this. We've already did the live feed on this, but when we come back, I'll turn it on, have the case on, and we'll show you some numbers. Okay guys, we're back, and again we've got the Skipper 300, and we're going to go ahead and pull up here and show you here as far as on the meters what we wound up with. Zoom in here a little bit. We'll run through the meters. Our 5-watt slug in reverse for a reflect. Our 1000-watt slug set in peak in 1x position, which is going to be your bottom scale. And our RMS meter, we're going to be reading our 250 watts, our 250 watt scale in RMS. So we're going to start here, back out just a little bit, and run through these. We're using our stock Cobra, or our tuned Cobra 29, which is going to be our input for this thing. We have this set on high power. Of course, making sure our coax jumpers are put on there properly, since this is typically backwards of our transistor amp. Okay, so hello, audio, hello. So that's where we're at there. Just a minute. Looks like we're going to have to retune this just a little bit on the front. Hello, audio, audio, audio. There we go. Bump the knobs whenever I was putting the case back on. Hello, audio. So we got about 0.3 of a watt reflect. Going back to our dummy load. Remember, 1000-watt scale in PEP. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. So about 450, 475, depending on my voice. Move over here, 250 watt slug in average. We can get the camera to focus here a little bit. So our top scale. Hello, audio. So about 170 watts RMS. We'll check this out on low. We're going to leave the tune just as it's set. Pan backwards. Hello, audio. Audio. So about 40 watts RMS. Go back over here. Look at our peak. Like I said, this has not been retuned. We tuned it on high. Hello, audio, audio, audio. So about 180 watts PEP. And then going back to our dummy load. Hello, audio. Over here, 5 watt slug. Now, since we did tune this in high, I'm going to show you here as far as reflect back to the radio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. We're good there. Now, the other thing, Steve, that we had a issue with, which I fixed it, we're going to put that back on standby. You had a lot of SWR as far as going through the amplifier, so you should be able to gain a little bit more power. So this is what we're looking at now on the talk through. Hello, hello. You know, barely moves. Same thing here. Hello, audio. Moves maybe a needle's width. So, like I said, you know, the standing wave through the box itself was about a 2. We've got it down to between 1.0 and 1.1, which is where it's fluctuating at. So, should be good to go, buddy. You know, definitely should be good to go. But, guys, I appreciate it. Like I said, we wanted to do a tune-up video on this for you, Steve. Our mud duck in Northern Cal.